What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Senzo Meyiwa trial and how long it has gone on, and somebody needs to put an end to the Senzo Meyiwa trial. It's now over 10 years and nothing has come out there. As things stand, there is no more new evidence that can come up. Everything that they need, they already have. The text messages, the way those guys were moving from one tower to the next. The only thing that they need right now is to call Kelly Khumalo and for her to give a side of the story. Otherwise, the last thing is for her to come and tell us that I've forgotten everything. It's now a very long time since those events happened. And you cannot blame her because nobody bothered to actually call her and for her to give a side of the story and for it to be recorded down. I personally have tried to follow the trial, but I've given up. No wonder there's another citizen who actually wrote a letter and said you are actually wasting time. So something definitely needs to happen for the trial to end soon and for justice to be served. Because you can imagine there are so many other cases that are happening daily and they aren't receiving any attention. But this one is consuming a lot of the time. So tell me what you think in the comment section and I'll catch you guys in the next one.